Here's something most men don't realize. The way you masturbate can quietly sabotage or supercharge your sex life with a partner. Getting hard, staying hard, lasting longer, and feeling real pleasure, it all gets shaped by how you practice alone. Most guys treat it like a quick chore, fast, predictable, just getting it done. But what if small intentional changes in your solo time could dramatically improve how you perform and feel with her? It's simpler than you think and backed by real science. Think of masturbation as dress rehearsal for real sex. You've practiced the same rushed routine for years, then opening night with a live partner arrives, and suddenly things feel completely different. No wonder performance issues creep in. Today I'm sharing 10 harmful upgrades you can try. These simple shifts help with stamina, sensitivity, control, and deeper pleasure for both of you. Let's dive in. Number 1, always use lube. Real sex is usually slick and wet. Studies show lubricant during solo or partnered activities significantly boosts pleasure and satisfaction while reducing discomfort. If you've trained yourself with a dry, rough grip, partnered sex can feel too slippery to finish or the opposite. Lube helps your body adjust sensitivity naturally. Silicone-based or quality lotions work beautifully. Number 2, switch hands. It pulls you out of autopilot and builds adaptability. Experts in psychosexual therapy recommend changing your usual style to better match real partnered sensations and prevent overuse issues. Number 3, take your time. Rushing to finish in a minute or two trains your body for exactly that. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes. Men who practice slower solo sessions report much better control during sex. Number 4, touch your whole body. Sensual, ethereal skin, thighs, even praised wakes up your senses. This deeper body awareness translates directly into being a more attentive, skilled lover. Number 5, change positions. Stand, lie down, kneel, or try a bridge. Different muscles and angles change how pleasure builds and help you practice control in varied scenarios you'll encounter with a partner. Number 6, tease yourself. Build anticipation slowly, maybe start over underwear. This trains presence and helps with both premature and delayed ejaculation by keeping you connected to rising sensations. Number 7, practice edging. Bring yourself close to the edge, then back off. Repeat 2 to 4 times in a session. It causes the ejaculatory that they control and can make orgasms more intense. Number 8, wear a condom while masturbating. If condoms dull sensation during sex, practice with one, a drop of lube inside and out. Your body learns to enjoy it, reducing real-world anxiety and risks. Number 9, try a toy. Masturbation sleeves or prostate stimulators can expand your sensations and teach new responses. Many men discover they become better partners after exploring quality toys without shame. Number 10, skip the porn at least while retraining. Frequent porn can desensitize you and create unrealistic expectations. Studies link heavier use with lower sexual satisfaction and performance issues in partnered sex. Porn often pulls attention away from your own body and sensations. Bringing focus back here builds real connection with yourself and eventually with her. That presence is incredibly attractive. These changes work because masturbation is practice. Behavioral approaches like slower techniques and position changes have shown promise in improving ejaculatory control in studies on premature ejaculation. Lubricant use consistently raises pleasure ratings in research. Whole body touch draws from sensate focus principles used in sex therapy to reduce anxiety and heighten enjoyment. Edging and teasing build awareness of your arousal levels, key for lasting longer and feeling more. Start with 1 or 2 tips that excite you most. Consistency matters more than perfection. Over weeks, you'll likely notice stronger erections, better control, more intense pleasure, and greater confidence with a partner. If you've struggled with quick finishes, delayed response, or just want to feel more alive during intimacy, these solo upgrades can be transformative. Remember, great lovers aren't born. They practice mindfully. Your solo time is the perfect private place to build skills that make partnered sex more satisfying for both of you. Drop a comment, which tip will you try first? And if you want more guidance on becoming an amazing lover, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Sex should feel good, connected, and fun, not rushed or anxious. Small changes in how you touch yourself can ripple into big improvements in your intimate life. You deserve pleasure that feels present and powerful. Start today with kindness toward your body, no shame, just curiosity and practice. I've seen these principles help so many men reclaim confidence and joy in the bedroom. You can too. Take it one mindful session at a time. Thanks for watching. If this resonated, share it with someone who might benefit. Here's to deeper pleasure and better connections for you and her. I'm Kelly, and I'm here to help you become the confident, skilled lover you want to be. See you next time. Take care and enjoy the practice.